OnePlus looks poised to bring back a small convenience many smartphone brands have ditched. Just days before the official launch of the N6, a leaked unboxing has offered glimpses of what customers will find inside the retail box is shaping up to be more generous. The images shared by tipster Abhishek Yadav on X shows a complete retail bundle alongside the handset. The OnePlus N6 will come with a 45-watt SUPERVOOC power adapter, USB Type-C charging cable, a clear silicone protective case, documentation, SIM card ejector tool. That's notable as many manufacturers dispense the charging brick in the box altogether, often leaving customers to reuse an older charger or buy a new one separately. The charger includes also specification OnePlus has also already confirmed. The N6 will be powered by a massive 8000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt wired charging. The leaked photo doesn't have any surprises about design as OnePlus has already leaked it out. The device shows in the unboxing is a mint color finish that the company has teased earlier. Official promo material also hints at the black color. Don't be fooled by the rear camera module. At first glance, it seems to have 3 cameras, but they have already announced it only has a 50 megapixel main rear camera and 8 megapixel front facing camera. The other two are just decorative pieces. It will have an HD plus display, a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 chipset, 6GB of RAM, Android 16 at launch. It will come at the price of $212 or sub rupees 20,000 in India.